Hey guys, so massive news and congrats to everyone that was following my calls because Doginme will be listed on Coinbase. It was basically added to the roadmap today, which was around 8 hours ago. The funniest part is that I was talking about Doginme like 5 times on different videos on my YouTube, and I was actually telling that I am buying Doginme yesterday before the main pump, and it basically went from 26 million in market cap to 78 million. Now it has a retraced a little bit, but why I am still bullish and this is not over. This is what happened when Toshi was listed on Coinbase. First of all, you can see this little pump when it went from 59 to 130, 100, basically 87. This was the point when it was announced similar to this. Basically assets added to the roadmap, which means it is not yet on the Coinbase. This is just the announcement that it will be listed. And yet Toshi basically pumped 3x after this announcement. Only after it was listed on Coinbase, it went from 150 to around 900 million, which did around 7x. So there is a still 10x possibility for Doginme, because here basically Toshi went from $150 million in market cap, which is 3 times more than Doginme right now, because Doginme right now is around $59 million in market cap. This means that if Doginme goes to 900 million, if my math is correct, that is around 16x from this price. That's why I am still expecting 5x, 10x in current markets, because current markets are quite down. But looking at markets, Bitcoin is actually going up a little bit from 80,000 to 82.7 thousand per Bitcoin. Maybe we go even to 85,000. It will be insane for the Doginme, because when everyone is bullish and people are getting back as the prices goes up, the Doginme could go 10x, maybe even 20x after the Coinbase listing. And here basically you can see the first video I made about Doginme was on November 10th, basically 4 months ago, something like that. And since then I have made in total 5 videos about Doginme. There are still some really bullish base coins that will be, in my opinion, listed on Coinbase, which you can see right here is Benji and TYBG. So TYBG, why it will be listed on Coinbase, in my opinion, is because the base founder, Jesse Pollack, has talked about TYBG like 10s, even 20 more times about this specific coin. That's why it is going up on the Doginme news as well, 56%, but you can see market cap is 9 million. Doginme basically went from 10 million to right now around 60 million in few days. So this means if TYBG gets an announcement like this, it will go 6x immediately, in my opinion. After it is listed on Coinbase, it could go much higher, maybe 10x. So 60x from these current prices would be insane. And I think it is really huge possibility. And again, really happy that when I'm talking about these coins and I'm doing my research, I don't invest in some random meme coins that are shielded by some influencers, Solana influencers, or just basically crypto influencers. I'm doing my research. I am finding coins that will be listed on Coinbase, and you just have to follow Brian Armstrong, Jesse Pollack, see what they are doing, what they are replying to. And yeah, again, Jesse Pollack has been talking about Base God. He has been talking about this coin as well, Benji. Why I am bullish on Benji is because they are all actually marketing their own coin. They are basically putting billboards or advertisement in different football clubs in Europe, which basically exposes them to millions of impressions. That's why I think this is another potential 10x, 20x from these prices, maybe even 50x. That's why, yeah. Congrats everyone that is following my Patreon. that is following my YouTube channel, because yeah, I'm talking about these coins. I will still make some videos about base coins that I think will be listed on Coinbase. So yeah, even in these markets, in these bad markets, you can make gains. I am really bullish for the whole crypto sentiment because there is so much happening behind the scenes. The banks are accepting crypto. Countries are basically creating reserves. Different USA states are talking about and basically creating basically legislations to make the crypto strategic reserve, which will, I think, 99.999% that it will be done quite soon. And we might see the first crypto summer that is actually bullish, because most of the times crypto is quite bearish in summer because all people are taking vacations and just chilling. Maybe not this time, because again, global liquidity is going up. It is basically, crypto is lagging 2 to 3 weeks behind it. So we might see a big pump in the end of the March, maybe in mid-April, early April. But I'm still happy. I think next 4 years will be insane for crypto. And yeah, I think base meme coins, you're talking about base meme coins, it is the easiest way to predict. Basically, really easy, because 99% of these biggest and most popular meme coins on Base will be listed on Coinbase. That just makes sense. And if you go to categories, if we are searching base meme coins, so we need to find the base ecosystem. So let's search base meme coins, coin gecko. So this, by the way, this is how you can search base meme coins. So here it is. So here you can see the biggest meme coin is Bread, then is Toshi, now Doginme, obviously, because it will be listed on Coinbase, Degen, and you just go and search which ones are not yet listed. Keyboard Cat is quite big. Basenji, I think, will be listed. I think this KeyCat will be listed. I think TYBG, Mochi, there is a big talk about Mochi. Higher, I think Higher will be listed. And I don't know about other ones. You have to do your research, look for the biggest communities, for the most active communities, and it will make sense for Coinbase to list them on Coinbase. So yeah, that's basically it. If you don't want to miss latest alpha, you can join my Patreon. Only $10 a month, but as you can see, the upside is much bigger, because you can find projects like these where you can make 6x your money. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.